Today is September 27th, 2017. We are selling our Chevy 3500 6.6 diesel. It has 196,000 kilometers on it, 10 by 6 foot dump box, and all vinyl interior. Seat is a little mangled. You can replace it or not. It is a 5-speed. And 4x4, you can see down there, and we'll start it up for you. So there's the 6.6. Cracked it up a little bit for you. And here is the dump box. I'll get Nick to throw the PTO on. So the dump box is working. Dualies on the back. Tires still in great condition. See my finger there. Lots of tread life on those. Was safetied last year. 3/4 crushed, 1 yard, free with the truck. And has 1 foot boards on there. We usually fit about 5 or 6 yards of mulch in there when we're doing our mulching. And there you go. 2001 6.6 diesel 4x4. Did have a plow mount. There is an 8-foot Salter available for it for an extra cost. Thank you, and we hope you like our truck.